Hello team, I would like to share with you an amazing tool that I'm using with my lower levels but can really work very good for as well for higher levels students. The only thing is that it works with Google Chrome better than Internet Explorer. So I'm going to tap wiser.me. You don't need to have your college email. You can log in with your Gmail, and I'll explain to you why that's not a problem, but you can also create an account with the college. And this takes you to the main page where you can, this is community worksheets, where you can take from other teachers their worksheets if they want to share it with you, or you can create your own worksheets where it says my worksheets. Normally wiser.me works really well with Google Classroom, but I don't think our college has any account with Google Classroom, so we just have to copy the link. So these are my worksheets that I've done during the years, but today I'm going to show you how you can create a worksheet. The purpose of this website is basically to create different types of assessments, formative and summative assessments. So that will take me to the main page. And obviously you have to play around and you design it as you want. So I can change it and I can have this one, and I'm going to create a lesson, which I don't think is going to be a lesson. I'm just going to copy an Ascentis exam and just add it to my learners. So I'm going to say Ascentis practice paper. Okay, so these are the tools you can use for you to create any kind of lesson, but I'm just going to show you bits and bits, and obviously it's for you to explore. So I'm going to start with, let me open an Ascentis exam. Sorry about the internet. I think it works better. And I'm just going to choose an entry-free reading paper. I'm just going to go with the C paper. We just take bits and bits just for you to see what I'm talking about. So we just need to take this page, yeah, and I'm just going to make a print screen. I'm just going to okay. Then I'm going to crop and then save it. Okay, I'm going to go back to my worksheet. And I'm going to look at an image or a text. Let's look at the image. Write your question here. Read the following text and answer the questions below. Okay. and then I'm going to insert the image. Okay, I can see it's too small, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to make it as bigger as I can. Okay, and I'll just press done. So now I've got the picture, and then they have to read and follow. So now we are looking at the questions. Okay, so I'm just going to make multiple choice, which is here, and I can record my voice. The text is about, so they can listen to my instructions. I can also type them. And then for multiple choice, I'm just gonna put them in the columns, and I'm going to copy them. It's better to write them. Okay, at this point I don't know the answer, but I'm just going to show it that I have to show which one is the correct answer, and I just have to press done. So the students, they can get feedback immediately, or you can also give them feedback as well. Let's go to the following questions. How can you apply for the course? Put the following instructions in chronological order. The first one has been done for you. So if we have anything like that, I would say that matching would be a good idea. So I'm going to write it, how can you apply for the course? You just write the instructions. Put the following instructions. Okay, sorry, the instructions should be further down. Okay, so the way we have to do, I'm just going to put number 1. It's visit the website. Number 2, I'm just going to copy and paste. I don't know if this is the correct order, but I'm just going to show it to you, yeah? Then the last one, post the application form. And cancel. And then you just put done. So at the moment you have this text that the students need to read. They need to answer the questions. As you can see, they shuffle the questions and the answers. Again, we have multiple choice. Let's go for yes or no questions. which I think they can go under the multiple choice. We have fill in the blank and so and so. So once we finished all the questions, all the tasks, let me add another one, another multiple choice. I'm just going to copy the question. And then again, I'm going to have yes or no. And I'm going to say done. And then we can, for example, have fill in the blanks. So again, the text is for, so write the missing words. The text is for employers, and we have to underline which is the blanket. Obviously you can add more questions. In the heart of, in the heart of means in the middle of, and I'm going to blank in the middle of. Okay, and you can also differentiate the instructions here. It's been done. And as I said, you can insert videos as well from YouTube using the link. So you have to use, I'm just going to use one of my videos as I can't find anything now. I would like to show you how you can access your homework. And okay, so you can obviously use other videos, not this one, the one connected to the lesson. So you just copy the link, and that's where they have the video. So they have to watch the video and they have to answer the question. So it's a video question and so on. So and obviously you can differentiate questions. So let's assume you have prepared like 2 hours session for the learners, and then you have to grade, like give grades for worksheets, which I just usually put other, and the subject is English, and then you save it. So it's been saved to your account, and now you want to assign to your learners, which is the first, the most important thing. And now I create the assignment. Now I have to make my worksheet public, which is fine, I don't mind sharing. If we have specific questions like a sentence paper, we can have automatic feedback to students. But because we ask the students to type and write their answers, I'm not gonna click on that one. So I'm creating the assignment, and I'm just going to say entry free group 6, for example. And I said page, sorry. I'll just have to make group. And we have a Google Classroom, which I said we don't have access at. But the best and the easiest solution is for us to copy the